Hello guys, my name is Mecowhy and welcome to the next video from the series about fixing problems on my Volkswagen Touareg. If you probably remember, I bought this vehicle in July last year and it came with few problems. One of them, water in the trunk. Actually, you can see the video by clicking on this link below. So the car came with a subset of problems. One of those problems was water in the trunk. Of course, that problem is already fixed, but in today's video, I'll show you what I did and how I fixed that problem. So it is a common issue on all vehicles that come with sunroof, that there's some water that's getting inside the vehicle. So let's take a look what's going on with that sunroof. So the sunroof itself is composed of a glass that meets with the metal, and we have a seal going around the sunroof right here. This seal is not 100% waterproof. So in order to drain the water, there are 4 drain holes on each corner of that sunroof. From that drain hole, we have a hose that runs down the pillars and drains on the ground. Similarly, in the back, we also have some hoses that drain the water. So what you need to do is to test which of those drain holes is either plugged or not connected. So we'll use a bucket of water. So the first thing you want to do is park the car on an incline. Could be just a little bit, but that would allow for the water to flow. We will do it only for the back, but you should be testing all 4 corners. So once you test the back, in the position my car is parked right now, you should also do the same for the front. So let me show you what we are going to do. I'm going to put some water down this channel, and as you can see, the water is draining. If the water is not draining, there's a problem. So in my car, when I bought it and performed this test, the water was not draining. It was actually running on the glass and on the C-pillar. That's where the water was running, and it ran behind the interior pieces right into the trunk. As you can see, my trunk is super dry. So let's watch how I fixed it. So as you guys can see, I already disassembled half of the car to fix the water problem. So as you can see, the hose here that goes into the floor, that's the drain hose. In some occasion, it would come out of this rubber grommet from the floor, and it would also cause flood in the vehicle. So sometimes you just need to put it back into the hole. In my case, I'm tracing it up to see where it goes into the roof. We will need some tie rips. I will need some glue, but that's mainly for a few pieces that broke off when I was disassembling the car. Of course, gloves and some silicone. So the idea is basically to put a little bit of that silicone on the nipple on the roof, put the hose over, and use zip tie to make it tight. The silicone would act like a glue, and the zip tie will make sure that we have a tight fitment over that nipple with the hose. So let's get started. In the lower left corner you can see the drain hose disconnected from the roof, and far you can see a shadow of the nipple. That's pretty much where the water is draining from the roof. We have to put that rubber hose on that nipple, but first I'll put some silicone so it will act like a glue, and it would ensure that this hose is not coming off that nipple in the future. Once we have enough silicone, I will put the hose over it with a zip tie, and the zip tie will hold this hose in place, and then we'll put some more silicone just to make sure everything is tight and well sealed. I performed this fix about 8 months ago, and I never had any problems with water. Before I fixed the car, after rain, you could smell this moist air in the car, that there is some sort of moisture somewhere. That's gone completely. So as I mentioned before, there are two ways that the water is getting to the vehicle. One would be exactly what happens to me at the top, the other one is at the bottom in the trunk. Similar fix, just connect the hose to the proper hole. Did I just say that? Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the Mecowhy channel yet, and if you need products that I use in this video to complete the repair, all those products are in the description, in the links below. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.